Welcome back to our channel, The Sisters Secrets. So today we never know anything about the weather. It can rain anytime, it can be hot anytime, and it can be extremely cold anytime. As a result of this, it becomes extremely difficult to know what to do with our hair. So bad. Yeah, you can see like we've all tied up our hair, we don't know what to do.
So, one thing which we are really facing right now is dandruff, also known as snowy flakes. I don't know why. Yeah. So, dandruff is caused due to very sticky scalp or irritation in the scalp.
Basically, it's all about the hygiene of your scalp and your hair. So, what we need to do is make sure that we understand how to take care of our hair and not to overdo or underdo anything. But to avoid bad hair days and extremely bad dandruff, which can give you like really bad acne on your eyebrows, on your for guys it's on the beard. So the first recipe is yogurt. Okay, it's also known as curd or dahi in India. We just take a bowl of curd based on the length of your hair. And the second one is for our special male followers and brothers out there. We know you are always on the move and rugged and plain and sweaty and blah blah blah. So today we have an amazing thing that you can do it on the move and have amazing shiny dandruff-free hair.
This recipe is specially and exclusively made and found for you guys because we really wanted to do this for you.
Yeah, but that does not mean girls can't use it. It's for both of us. Yeah, but majorly we want this for all the guys and the male followers out there. So let's begin.
So we have a very special guest today.
Hi, I'm Azan.
Also known as our brother. He is here to volunteer and encourage you guys because he himself has really bad dandruff and he figured out that his sisters had a lot of secrets to share for him. So here is our first recipe. For this you need a bowl and coconut oil. You need to put a coconut oil as per as your hair requirements. So and you need to heat it up for 30 seconds. Pour around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drops of lemon. Okay, so all of you are not lucky to have a younger one like me. Please do it yourself. Don't torture your sisters like this. So make sure when you're applying the coconut oil, you manage to at least massage it on the scalp once so that it reaches your roots and the scalp where the dandruff is already there. So after you've done applying it on the entire scalp, make sure you keep it for 20 minutes at least and not more than 30 minutes because too much lemon is also not good for your hair. After 30 minutes, wash off your hair with a mild shampoo.
In the second, more messier method, I take a bowl of curd and squeeze a teaspoon of lime in it, mix it and apply it on my hair. Here, as you can see, I'm working my way backwards from the back of my head to the front, making sure to apply it on the scalp as well as to the tip. I do this because I feel generally we miss out on the hair on the back of our head and I don't want to do that. I also make sure that I never ever tie my hair when I have curd on it because once the curd dries it can cause breakage. Then I let it be for another 30 minutes and just wash it off with a mild shampoo.
You can use this treatment twice a week.
Also, first try which one suits you the best because sometimes my hair kind of gets dry with the curd, so I prefer the oil more than the curd. So see what suits you the best and use it accordingly. You can share your beautiful hair pictures with us.
Actually, yeah, that will be a really good thing. Oh, you know how it goes. No secret is well kept
Unless everyone knows it.
So like, share and
Subscribe!
and we look forward to your suggestions for the next video.
Till then, take care, stay healthy, stay organic and please drink lots of water. It's getting really hot out there.
Love you.
Bye! Take care guys!